Yo, what's up? Inandindani, Inandititi. How are you guys doing? I'm back with another reaction and reacting to Jetu. I'm excited to be checking out Jetu. I feel like I've become a fan since day one. I think uh I love what she stands for and I love what she represents, which means like an older person doing music and connecting more with the younger generation. That's basically the true African life right there. But big up to Malawi, you guys have been supporting JT from J1, from day one, J1, Jet. Oh, yeah, see what I did there? Anyway, my name is TT. Um, Dimankala kuno ku USA, koma dimachogera ku Botswana, and who knows, I'm gonna be in the USA with everything going on. You know what I mean? So, thank you so much for watching this, man. If you're watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. So, Lero, Dima, I have a saying here. I'm not big on AI teaching languages, so I'm nervous about what I'm about to to say on these things. Like it's madness. But yeah, AI has been teaching me some Chichewa, which I am so excited to check it out. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway, let's get to Jetu, man. Like I said, if you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads. So let's see. Where is my Jetu song? Here we go. Pangolin, it's a new song and it already has 1 million views. That's the support that these guys need. So please continue supporting Jetu, you know what I mean? So and this is not even Amapiano. This is now Jetu in her element. Like, okay. I'm excited to listen to this one because, I think the whole strategy of Jetu when it started as a meme, right? Like, I'm a older lady singing Amapiano. Obviously, that's kind of like interesting. And and I'm glad that they are moving on to real stuff now. That proves that Jetu is not just some meme person on the internet. It's actually a real artist with the real songs out there and real messages that she also wants to share. So wow, beautiful stuff, man. Beautiful video already, and you already know Jetu is a big artist. It has some, if I'm not mistaken, this has some cultural elements to it. It is like a traditional kind of vibey adjacent song. Pangolin. Oh, it's a real pangolin. Okay. Trying to hear what she's saying. Obviously, she's like an older person. She's going to be sounding more, I don't know, deep. So let me know in the comment section what she's saying about Pangolin. And this is a beautiful video. I like that now we see more older people in these videos. like I'm saying, guys, this is like an artist that is bridging the gap between like younger generation and older generation, bringing everybody together. Now you have older people listening to her music and younger people are vibing to it as well. Beautiful, like I don't even know what to say to convince people that it's beautiful. I mean, the views of this video just shows that, you know, people love this artist and they are, hold on, I was saying just the views on this song just shows that people are watching this artist and they love what she does. And I do hope that the producers that work with her are taking note on this and they don't stop, you know, like keep releasing this music. We need it. We really need it. So yeah, man. Great stuff.
Libase mpaka ndime patuzi wonesere mkulu wandu aziwe mapewa anga malere kalibe anga ndirande weyo wanga ndiwe imutuluse muone pango katundu wako amunanga pango di imutuluse muone pango katundu wako alamanu pango di ona pango lini ona pango katundu wako amunanga pango di ona pango lini ona pango katundu wako alamanu pango di. Salare galowa imakala baba cheti girlfriend yala wasi.
Man, shout on this, man. This is like really like who are making this, you know, like whoever is behind the production of this person, of this artist, Jetu, man, like you guys deserve a round of applause because these guys know what they're doing and this is serious business. This is a beautiful, beautiful thing. This is why like the internet could be beautiful sometimes, you know, like
I'm in a place I got to the ID. Hadi Mr. Masirire ninayo ya manelosi saluni mulore muwale mubebe topogeda era shezi dina tulesi surprise ibale mazulo nai digage kuwa malesi odi alipo wina akumbe kukoma kuposa odi alipo wina kumba kukoma posa.
Yo, beautiful video, beautiful stuff as well. Like every time Jetu, like I don't know, I feel like you'd be heartless if you don't react somehow to Jetu's music, right? Like, and to think that this is not an Amapiano song, and I still enjoyed it. You know, at first it was like, yeah, it's Amapiano song, has the element to it, like, but I think it just shows who Jetu is, the artist behind. I don't know what Jet was doing before this music thing, you know, like let me know. What was she doing before? Was she like just chilling in a home village? Was she like a city gal? What was she doing before all of this? Because wow, what a beauty. I feel like she's always been into this kind of things like fashion because like she just wears that as somebody who's used to it. I don't know. Thank you so much for watching this, man. Zikomo Computer for your support. You guys have been so good. So I cannot wait for you guys to see this next video from Malawi as well. So if you want to check it out, follow me. Let's go. I'll see you guys on the other side.